Today's recipe is a very simple and easy chocolate truffle recipe. It is only 2 ingredient recipe, so we can prepare it very quickly. So before we start with the recipe, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get all the notification. Take a wide open pan and add 1 tin of Milkmaid or condensed milk. Make sure you don't on the flame before adding the complete condensed milk. Condensed milk boils very fast. So once you finished adding, then on the flame and keep stirring in low flame till your condensed milk is slightly heated. Once it's heated, immediately transfer it to a bowl and with the help of sieve add unsweetened cocoa powder. Because our condensed milk is already sweet, we don't need to add any more extra sweet to this. For this, I will be adding 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Once you add the cocoa powder and condensed milk, stir it nicely. Make sure you stir it with a spoon. Because our condensed milk is warm, make sure you mix it with spoon and mix it nicely till the cocoa powder is completely combined like this. And you will get a uniform creamy texture like this. Next, we have to take a container in which we want to set our truffle. So dust this container with the cocoa powder. This is our normal sweet cocoa powder. Dust it nicely, otherwise our chocolate truffle will stick to the base and it will be very difficult for you to remove it. This is a very important step. Please don't forget to dust the base of the vessel with cocoa powder. Then allow this chocolate truffle to spread nicely in the container and let it set in the fridge for almost 4 to 5 hours. After that, it will be hard like this. Now dust sweet cocoa powder on top of the truffles also, so that it doesn't stick to your knife when you are cutting it into your desired shape. I'll be cutting it into small cubes and it is very soft and chewy in texture. Just make sure you have dusted cocoa powder properly on top and under the vessels also. So our super easy chocolate truffle is ready, and that too it's ready within minutes with just 2 ingredients. So before we serve, we can take a tray and dust cocoa powder again on top of it and just give a round shape to the sides, and our chocolate truffle is ready to be served. So I think you like this simple and easy recipe. Do try it and share your experience in the comment section below. And if you like the recipe, give a big thumbs up and like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye till we meet next time.